Hi, this is Johnny Timmons with MarineMax Houston. Today we're going to walk through our 2019 40-foot Azimut Verve. I'm actually standing on the swim platform, dive door, on the water bar if you will, and Carlo's going to join me up here inside the boat. We're going to do a quick walkthrough. Powered with triple 350 Mercury Verados, boat will cruise effortlessly at 30 knots. As we come into the cockpit of the boat, you're going to notice a nice sitting area here. We've got an electric grill, refrigerator on this side. Go back to the port side, we've got a wet bar with an ice maker. Right here, this is a really unique area in the cockpit of the boat. This table actually is going to drop down. We'll fill it with cushions, and now we've got a sun pad for the cockpit of the boat. I'm going to get Carlo to take the camera up just a little bit. Right up here, we've actually got a sure shade that's going to pop out of the back of the boat, and it's going to shade this entire area. I'm going to slide just a little bit forward. And every wonderful yacht needs a wine cooler. Already aboard. Great storage underneath the helm. In this little area right here, we've got our generator, mechanical room. Really unique feature with the 40 Azimut Verve. This is on tracks. It's going to slide forward. I'm going to lock it in place, pop the hatch, and this boat is got a Seakeeper stabilizer on it. Zero speed stabilization, works great all the way up to about 15 knots, but the nice thing is if you've got some people that don't quite have their sea legs on it, we'll turn that Seakeeper on. Boat's going to stay stable no matter what conditions we're in. Full hardtop. I'm going to slide forward to the helm station here. Double Raymarine chart plotters. We've got a radar that's already aboard the boat. This boat's equipped with a Verados joystick system. So we've got a skyhook, autopilot already built in. We can lock it onto the satellite. The boat will hold within 3 meters. Plenty of ample power. Seakeeper. We've actually got a remote right here. That way we can turn it on, turn it off. Boat's also equipped with a bow thruster just for that little bit of extra help. New for the 18 and 19 models, we've actually got cold AC vents coming from the salon. That way we can stay cool up underneath the hardtop. I'm going to work forward, go down below. The 40 Verve's actually set up with a full bulkhead, queen V berth, and a full stand-up walk-in head. If we do have some extra guests staying aboard, we've got some options that we can do with the settee area here. We can drop it down, fill it in. We've got Pullman style. We can actually make a bunk bed system. It's really a neat option for the boat. I'm going to work forward real quick, Carla, and she's going to follow me. This is one of the greatest little SUVs you can get at 40 feet because now we've got another completely different area that we can hang out, lounge. Sun pad, we've got another settee up here. Really a lot of great places for your friends, family, guests to hang out aboard the boat. And all at the same time, we've got outboards. We can trim them up, turn the Perco switch off, and there's really not a whole lot of maintenance to do below the waterline. Again, my name is Johnny Timmons. We're in MarineMax Houston, and this is our in-stock 2019 40 Verve. We'd love to have you come out and take a peek of it. Don't matter what the weather is, we're inside the showroom floor. It's a nice 72 degrees. If it's cold outside, if it's raining, stop by and see us. We've got the boat inside. Talk to you soon.